In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to send disappearing messages in Telegram. This is important for maintaining privacy and security in conversations, especially when sharing sensitive or confidential information. These messages automatically delete after a set time, reducing the risk of exposure if someone gains access to a device or account. To do this, simply head to Telegram. Now let's say you want to send a disappearing message to this person. You want to tap right here to select any media. It can be a photo or video. Once done, tap right here to choose how long the media will be kept after them opening. Select on View once, and then tap on Send. Now when they open what you have sent. After viewing it, once they close, it will disappear from your chat, and their chat as well. That's how easy it is to send disappearing messages in Telegram. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.